Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: paragraph organization. Whether you're a student working on essays or an aspiring content creator, understanding how to structure your paragraphs effectively is essential for conveying your ideas clearly and engaging your audience. In this video, we'll cover the key principles of paragraph organization and share some tips to help you improve your writing. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand what paragraph organization is. Paragraph organization refers to the way you structure your writing to present your thoughts and ideas logically and coherently. Each paragraph should focus on a single main idea, and all sentences within the paragraph should support that central idea. A well-organized paragraph allows readers to follow your argument or narrative effortlessly, making your content more impactful and enjoyable to read. Now, let's explore the typical structure of a paragraph. A well-organized paragraph usually consists of three essential elements: the topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. The topic sentence is the backbone of a paragraph. It introduces the main idea or the central point the paragraph will discuss. By clearly stating the main idea up front, readers can quickly grasp what the paragraph is about and how it connects to the overall theme of your content. After presenting the topic sentence, it's time to provide supporting evidence, examples, or explanations that further develop the main idea. These supporting sentences lend credibility to your argument and help readers better understand and visualize your point. Ensure that each supporting sentence is relevant and directly contributes to the central idea of the paragraph. To wrap up the paragraph, we need a concluding sentence. This sentence serves as a transition to the next paragraph while summarizing the key points or reinforcing the main idea. A well-crafted concluding sentence adds cohesion to your writing, leading readers smoothly from one idea to the next. Now that we've covered the basic structure, let's discuss some strategies to enhance your paragraph organization. One effective approach is organizing paragraphs in chronological order. This structure is ideal for narratives, historical accounts, or step-by-step processes. By following a clear sequence of events, readers can easily follow your story or instructions. When presenting information with varying degrees of significance, consider using the order of importance. Start with the most crucial point and work your way down to the least important. This strategy ensures that your main ideas stand out and leave a lasting impression. For analyzing different perspectives or subjects, the compare and contrast approach works wonders. You can divide your paragraph into two parts, comparing the similarities in the first half and contrasting the differences in the second half. Two critical aspects to keep in mind are paragraph length and unity. Avoid extremely long paragraphs that can overwhelm readers. Aim for paragraphs that consist of 3 to 5 sentences. Shorter paragraphs are easier to read, and they help maintain your audience's attention. Maintaining paragraph unity means that each paragraph should focus on one central idea only. Avoid mixing multiple concepts within a single paragraph, as it can confuse your audience and dilute the impact of your message. Now, let's try a 3-item exercise where you organize 3 sentences into a coherent paragraph. Below are 3 sentences related to the topic of the importance of staying hydrated. Arrange the 3 sentences provided above into a well-organized paragraph using the structure we discussed. Here's the answer to the exercise with an explanation of the paragraph organization. By organizing the sentences in this manner, the paragraph flows logically, with each sentence contributing to the central idea. The topic sentence introduces the main concept, the supporting sentences provide evidence and explanation, and the concluding sentence summarizes the key message, leaving a lasting impact on the reader. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.